welcome back, guys. Man, we're just at these awesome Lotus videos. Excited. So another one, quick one right at you. We actually already did a really quick one, which is the side hardware. We're gonna match that. So as you guys have seen, we just did a really good job with this complete dark interior, almost. And I said we're done with it, but there's just a few more things that I want to black out. So we're gonna be doing door cards. These, just the door cards hardware. At GRP, he does sell some more of these, which are amazing because they are in dark black. I'm gonna show you this little kit. So you come with right over here. We're gonna have a kit of them. We're gonna install them, and I think they're titanium, so I think they do weigh less. So let's go over to the driver's side, and we'll do this. I want to see if I can do this whole video. Honestly, let's try to do it with one clip. I'm gonna do a one-clip video. So stay with me. I did drop a couple there. I'm gonna use you guys on the tripod. This is gonna be awesome. And my whole goal for this video is to do it all in one click, okay? So as we can see, Allen key right here, we're gonna do lefty-loosey, and we'll just push it on over like that, and we'll walk the bolt back out, and we'll grab one of the new ones and install it. There are 4 per side, and I believe they do come with washers. So let's do that real quick here. Oh. This is gonna be a one whole video of this. So you guys have to stay from the beginning to the end to see the result, which I'm excited for it. Okay. So this should be just an exact fitment. So pull that guy out. It is a washer. We're gonna transfer the washer over to the new hardware. Like that. Do you even need the washer? Honestly, we'll just do it because it's the right thing. Okay, we'll put it in. And we'll just start turning. Oh my gosh, this looks so much better. I don't think I need the washer, to be honest, but we're gonna put it in. We're gonna leave it righty-tighty. Okay, we're gonna switch over to the shorter side, a little bit more leverage. Oh, see, I just wish I would have done this the day I got the car. I love that look so much more. Okay, perfect. That is so much better. You don't even know it's there anymore. Look, and it's a little bit bigger. It's a more aesthetic look. I don't think you need the washer. I really don't. I think, but I'm gonna leave it on there. Okay, let's do the next ones. Ooh, this one wasn't very tight. Okay. Yep, this one has a washer. Okay. It does have that leather, so when you do pull it out, it kind of doesn't want to come out, but it'll come out. Grab another one, slide it on. The bolt does weigh less. No joke. It actually does. You can feel that it weighs less. That's crazy. Lightweight, baby. That's what these are about, right? Am I going to supercharge this car? Probably. We're going to supercharge the Toyota Celica first, and then if we have good results with that, I'll move on and we will supercharge this car. It'd probably be financially better to supercharge this more expensive car, but the superchargers for the MR2 for the Celica seem to be a little bit more affordable than the ones for the Exige. I've seen a lot of superchargers kits go, you know, you'd think that they would be relative because it's the same motor, but maybe it's just because it's an ELISE or Lotus, they can charge more. Okay, how are we doing? Yeah, there we go. Okay, 2 more. Guys, I've been banging out these YouTube videos for you guys. I've done like 4 in one day today. First off, that center console was difficult. Second of all, it's so hot in Washington right now. I am sweating in my garage. Okay. I love small detail videos. These are my favorite. These make all the difference. This car, you know, that's why my MR2 looks so cool, is because everything has been touched on. It has all these fun little unique things. When you look at the MR2, there's just so many things that are not OEM and just in the details. This is a perfect one. Also, I think this is a pretty affordable mod. And so if you want to do like, if you're one of the people like you want a little bit of high, go to GRP, Greg's Racing Parts, and do a mod why don't you do a mod once a week? It's pretty cool. I mean, you can't go buy, like, you're not gonna go buy an Acura NSX, a brand new one, or you're not gonna go buy a GTR and do a mod a week. The Lotus, you could probably do a mod a week that's still reasonable. I mean, you could probably do a course on those other too, but there's so many fun little things on a Lotus that you can do yourself. And I think Lotus is known for tinkering. And that's one of the things is that, like with the EVORA or EMIRA, it's gonna be the same thing. Or it already is the same thing. People are already modifying those. I've seen the exhaust that they've been putting on them. Pretty cool. All right, one more. I should probably get a little tool, a socket with this, and then just use a electric one, but we're just doing it all old school. Okay. All right. I'm loving this. Ooh. So 4 per side. How is it sitting in here? There's probably a ledge that this sits in. Yeah, I think there's a ledge or something that this sits in. I'm not sure, or it clicks in. And then these are just the retaining for the top part of it, but it probably latches in or something. I've never taken off the door card. I actually love both my door cards. The inserts yeah, I guess are they door cards? They kind of are door cards, but they're also kind of just inserts. I like the black leather with the Alcantara here, and then I also have the window switches, which I love. They're not the hand crank ones. I love the little electronic window switches. Okay, just like that. Don't need to over tighten it. Bam! Look at that. Amazing. Absolutely love it. So happy. So simple. So good. I am gonna do, this is a 1-clip video, so that is it. How fun. How long is this video? It's gonna be 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Awesome mod. So what we're gonna do is, I'm actually gonna show you guys one side versus the other side, and then I'll move these bolts. Let me grab all these bolts. So we'll close this door, and then you tell me, do you see a difference? Yes, I do. So there's this, which is more, how do you say it? More busy. This, there's more busy, and this one's more cohesive. Significantly more cohesive. Love it. Greg, you're awesome. Okay guys, I'm gonna do the other side. Look at the carbon fiber interior. Insane. I am so happy with this. It's so perfect with the seats. To there, to there. Oh, I love it. Okay, good job. All right, next video we'll be back. We're gonna do some badges for the wheels and the front nose badge right here. Then some plugs, and then of course the last piece de resistance, stage 2 Jan Speed exhaust. Like, subscribe, swing by GRP, swing by Mitch.com. See you guys in the next video.